So it's Friday, 19th of May, you're on your Android TV device, you open up the Google Play Store, and you search for your favorite downloading application, which for most of you is Downloader. If I type that in, as soon as I type in D, we can see we have Downloader by AFTV News. I click on that, click on search, but where is Downloader? The video I posted yesterday was doing a review of the TV Bro browser, and I actually called it TV Bro, the best browser, brackets, no more Downloader. And I was just trying to imply that if you don't want to use Downloader anymore, TV Bro is a great option. But here we are today, and Downloader is now no longer available on the Android TV store. Now I've checked this on my Amazon device and I can see it's still available on the Amazon App Store. But for whatever reason now, if you try to search for Downloader, you can now no longer install it from the Play Store. I actually received an email from TroyPoint or TroyPoint Insider telling me that this has now gone missing. Pretty shocking, and I'm hoping it's just a mistake. But if you are in a situation where you have an Android TV device and you're looking for the easiest way to bring that back, what you can do is open up TV Bro. Let me do that now. Or really you can use any browser that you have installed. I think the one that TroyPoint favors is GeoPages. For my device, I'll open up TV Bro. Here we go. So open up any other browser. We can now make a quick connection to my website, where I can just use my voice and say tdoctoruk. Let's click on search. Let's go for the first link. Oh, let's click on got it. Let's go for the first link. And once you get to my site, we can now use the option here at the top to click on tutorials. Let's click on that. We can now scroll down and we can see the new one in the list is Downloader for Android TV devices. So I can click on that. I can now scroll down. And underneath all of that, the step-by-step instructions, we should have a single link to the latest version of Downloader, which as of May 2023 is 1.4.4. Here we are. So I can now click on that, scroll down, and click on the green download button. And this will download the latest version to my Android TV device. We can see we get the message that downloading has started. I can now go to the top, click on the download icon, and there we can see the file there. It's only 2.5 meg in size. I can now click on that, and this will now commence the installation of the Downloader application, allowing me once again to use that to download my favorite applications. So really bizarre, and I'm hoping it's just a mistake, but we have seen in the past that certain applications that Google incorrectly deem are illegal, they just take them off the store. We saw this in the past with some applications I'm not going to name, but I'm really hoping that this is just a mistake, and hopefully in a couple of days they'll then bring that back. So a quick video today just for my audience, that if you didn't know, as of Friday the 19th of May, if you search for Downloader on Android TV, the application is just not there at the moment. So if you need to get it on any of your Android TV devices, you can use any other browser like TV Bro or GeoPages or Puffin browser, any browser that you like. Jump over to my website, which is just tdoctoruk.com, go to the tutorials page. The latest tutorial in the list will be how to get this application back on all of your devices. And whilst you're there guys, let me just quickly share a super special offer just for the next 2 weeks, whereby you can get $50 off the yearly plan, which works out as just over $3 a month. All devices covered, even your laptops, your tablets, Windows PCs, everything will be covered with a single license. You can then change your IP address, you can hide what you're doing, so your ISP can't track you, they can't monitor you. To get that, I think this offer is definitely worthwhile checking out. It does help support the channel, so many thanks if you want to do that. Do have a look in the video description and the pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. It is only for the next 2 weeks. Do leave me a comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.